Hey students, good morning. Mr. Williams here. Wanted to give you guys a couple of pointers. I've been helping a lot of you guys lately, and I noticed some common mistakes that I want to kind of clarify with you guys, or not mistakes, but just to make things easier for you. One of which is that your Schoology course homepage should be bookmarked already. I notice a lot of people just struggling to log into Schoology. So remember that your Schoology account is connected to your Gmail account, which also connects you to the Google Classroom. So they're all connected. So the web address for Schoology is schoology.dodea.edu. Once you go there and you're logged into your Gmail account, it's automatically going to load your courses. And now you should hit the little star to bookmark that. And then you can organize what folder you want that in. So do that. Bookmark your Schoology course homepage so that you're not spending 10 minutes trying to log into Schoology. Second thing, once you're in Schoology, you need to make sure your time zones are set right. For example, I'll just choose this class right here. You can see that the reminders and the due dates are set, but if your time zone's not set right to Guam time zone, those aren't going to look right for you. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to go to your profile up here. You're going to hit the drop down, and there's profile, there's Pac West, Anderson, that lets you know you're in the right school. There's settings, subscriptions, and logout. We're going to go for settings. And on this page, you're going to notice there's a time zone setting. Notice that mine is set to Pacific Guam. Yours may not be set to Pacific Guam, which is another reason why you may be missing due dates and struggling to stay organized. So hit the drop down, and you'll notice it's down at the bottom. So they're going to be listed alphabetically, and you're going to be looking for Pacific Guam, and then you can also look for this +10 to help find it. It's a bit of a pain to try to find it, but it's almost down at the bottom. Pacific Guam. Select that. Save changes. And then you shouldn't have any problems anymore. Again, those are two things that I noticed in helping people over the last couple of days that have been tripping them up. Also, remember that you need to be using Google Chrome as your web browser at all times. Do not use Safari or Internet Explorer or any other web browsers. All right, I hope that helped, and let me know if I can help you with anything else. Bye.